Students, now we will study about the coordination. Definition of coordination given by Henry Fair. Henry Fair coordination is to harmonize all the activities of the concern in order to facilitate its working and its success. I am underlining this part of the definitions. Now, coordination, what it means? To harmonize means peaceful environment where all the activities of the particular organizations should be done so that it facilitates its working. It helps the people to work nicely and reach its goal and achieve its aim. That is what it is, coordination. Now let us see the importance of coordination. First is basis of managerial function. Coordination is the base of all the managerial functions. Why it is so? Because if there is no peaceful environment in the organizations, then other managerial functions will be useless to implement, because it will not give us the expected result within the time period if we do not maintain the peaceful environment in the organization. Next point, it is proper uses of available resources. Now, whatever resources we have, either it is human or material resources, all these resources are to be used properly so that we can save money, time and materials. And these resources are to be used at the optimum level, where the wastage of the resources should be very, very less so that it can become cost effective. Next is establishes human relationship. Now this coordination also establishes the relationship between the people, those they are working in the particular concern. Now how it improves the relationship? Because in any organization, if there is a peaceful environment where generally people likes to live in a comfortable way, in a peaceful manner. So where there is peaceful environment, automatically there will be no differences with the opinion or behavior among the people, since the environment is peaceful. So there the human relationship will grow. Next is emphasizes to unity. Here the main importance is given to unity, because whatever the jobs and in a concern the people they are doing, without unity it will not give us the expected result, as well as we cannot reach the goals that we have set earlier before we start the works. So to secure the unity of actions, here everybody needs to work unitedly so that we can achieve the goals of the organizations. Last point, encouragement to development. Now if the situation is harmonious, if it is peaceful, then it will automatically increase the rate of development. Whatever the development rate is there, speed is there, that will automatically increase due to the harmonious environment. Next, proper coordination among different factors of productions. As we know, the 5 factors of productions are there. That is capital, labor, organization, entrepreneur, and capital, labor, organization, entrepreneur, land, labor, capital, organization and entrepreneur. These are the 5 factors of productions. Now we need to coordinate. We should have coordination among all these factors of production so that we can successfully complete our work and achieve the goals that we have set. Now to continue with the coordination, now we will study the difference between coordination and cooperations. These two terms almost feels like similar. It's similar but not same. Now let us see the differences between these two words. First, coordination, it's an organizational effort. It is the effort that organization provides. That environment has to be created in the organizations. So it's an organizational effort. Now cooperation, it's an individual effort. Now individual effort, why it is individual effort? Because whether I want to help someone or not, that is individual thoughts. So it is individual. Next is success as a whole. Now coordination is a success as a whole. Here the whole success, the success of the organization depends upon the coordination. Now in cooperation, necessary for successful coordination. Cooperation is also required, and without cooperation we cannot maintain or we cannot create coordination in the organizations. Next, it is continuous process. Coordinations, it is a continuous process throughout the year and year after year. It will continue. Next is short-term process till the particular work is completed. Now it starts then ends, again it starts then ends, like that. Short-term process, it is a short-term process until the work is going on, unless and until it is completed. Till then they have to maintain the cooperations among the people. The people have to maintain cooperation among themselves. Next is function of management. The coordination is a function of management, and cooperation is the relation between two persons. It's a relationship between the two persons, that is cooperations. Whereas coordination is the function of management. It has to be maintained. Next, performed by higher officials. Generally these coordinations, that peaceful environment, it is created by the higher officials in the organization, whereas cooperation, it exists among two persons. So this is all about the cooperations and coordinations. Thank you.